This video is about acetaldehyde, where it comes from, and how it gets into our bodies. So acetaldehyde is a reactive compound that can damage DNA and proteins inside our bodies. It's also what's known as a carcinogen, which means that it can cause cancer in humans. Now there are four main sources of acetaldehyde that we should be aware of. The first is air pollution. Acetaldehyde is one of the most common air pollutants, both indoors and outdoors. Indoors, it comes from things like household chemicals and building materials, and outdoors, it comes from things like vehicle emissions and industrial pollution. Acetaldehyde is the most common toxin in cigarette smoke and in secondhand smoke, and contributes to many of the negative long-term health effects of smoking. Acetaldehyde can also be found in the food and diet. So it's found in common foods like coffee, fresh fruit, and yogurt. And it can also be converted when the diet is very high in sugars. So sugars come into the body and they're converted in the stomach to acetaldehyde, which can be absorbed and distributed through the rest of the body. Finally, a major source of acetaldehyde is alcohol consumption. When drinking, ethanol is converted into acetaldehyde, which can accumulate. In some people with a genetic mutation called ALDH2 deficiency, acetaldehyde accumulates very rapidly as these people can't break it down properly, and it causes a series of negative physical symptoms called alcohol flush reaction, which is characterized by very red flushing of the face and skin.